there's spaces before the hashes. So we need to add the spaces in. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something called space count, and then I'm going to take a look. So space count is going to be equal to height minus hash count, says Copilot. So let's go ahead and just logic this out. So I'm going to add little comments to say how many. So this is our number of hashes to print, right? So on the first iteration, I is 0. So we are going to have 1 hash, okay? Then here, on that first iteration, we will have the height, which is going to be 4 minus the hash count. So we will have 3 spaces. All right. And then we need to edit this to be what we want. So we want to basically loop through both now, right? So we want to, what was Copilot suggesting here? Let's look at Copilot's suggestion. So first I'm going to do add spaces because the spaces always go first. So we're going to loop through the spaces and then add the spaces as we need. That's fine. Okay, Copilot, calm down, girl. Then the next thing we want to do is add the hashes. So we'll loop through the hashes and then add the hashes. And then we can just print the row. Okay, so I can go ahead and get rid of my comments now because I understand how it's going to work. All right. And then let's go ahead and clear my terminal and run again. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and that looks good.